All right, guys, here we have what a story to tell you. Both these GT500's motors blew. That's right. These 500s, unfortunately, both had their motors blown, but they're both rebuilt. I'm here with my friend Juan. What's up, brother?
Yeah.
Tell me about your 500. What is it? Same thing? All right, I'll explain. We both have built motors. We both blew up. Only difference is basically I have an ice tank tuned by Palm Beach. He's tuned by Lund. He does have a 20-inch tall tire. I do have a ET Street R on there. So we'll see how these run. Battle of stripes versus no stripes. So we're excited. We're gonna run them today.
That's a nice car, buddy.
Thanks.
What's something like that run? I bet never can afford something like that.
If you go to stangmode.com, you're entered to win this car and 30,000 cash for just $1.
Yeah, I can't really afford $1, but you got $1 to spare? Maybe I can get some hooch and enter.
How about I give you $20 and you get 20 inches to win this car?
I was gonna get me some hooch and some interest. Hot damn, I'm going to stangmode.com and get me a car.
Good luck, brother. Something fun for you. You've never seen this before. Two green blown up 500s. Had some little trouble with our motors. They both blew. What's cool is I have stripes, you don't, so they'll be differentiated. But we'll go to his car. We'll talk about what's different. I did get to race Juan's 500, remember?
Yep.
He let me race it against Boost 750, but let's check it out. Let's check this beautiful 500 out. This is tuned by Lund, right?
Yes.
Okay, Lund tuned, we're Palm Beach tuned, built by Jamo. Tell us about what you got here, brother.
Everything. Check the.
Looks almost 100% copy. Wow. Yep. So you got the Fjord's fuel system, triple pump. And we have the lethal. We both have Kong ported throttle bodies.
Yep.
We both have the JLT intake. You have a ported supercharger?
Yes.
Who is it by?
Kong.
Kong. Okay, so we both have Kong. We both have that. What size pulley? 2.3. All right.
But it's sleeping.
But built motor like me.
Built motor, yeah.
Who did the motor?
NPR.
All right, cool. So we have we have L&M versus NPR, Lund versus Palm Beach, stripes versus no stripes. That's the most important race. Let's see what's going on here. We both ran very similar times, right? I think you got, what did you just run?
159.
I think I just got a 160. So now remember, it's hot today. It is July, so it's gonna be like, that's gonna hurt a little bit. Do you have an ice tank?
Nope.
No ice tank. Okay. That's what I do have, an ice tank. So that might help me with the IATs. But besides that, we both, first time you're gonna see, we'll get these two cars together, but built motor, green versus green. So I'm excited. Wow. And this is your first time back since the motor?
No, I came.
Oh, you came before. Okay, this is my first time back. So how's it running though?
162.
Okay.
The bell sleeping, I didn't change it. So it just pushing 17 PSI.
Gotcha. All right, we'll have fun. We'll run it, and stay tuned for that fun race, guys. Green on green crime, you know. This should be good. A few things, like just little tips. Definitely do a burnout before you go to get the tires nice and hot, and then send it, bro. We'll be in touch. Let me show you guys what else this car has. This does have the. Okay, to open the door. Yeah, this does have the lighter seats, but what are our advantages in the Hulk? Hulk has an ice tank. This doesn't. We have, in my opinion, a little better tire, but hey, the 20s are doing their thing. So I wonder if my tire setup might be hurting my mile an hour. That's remains to be seen. So we shall see. Battle of Stripes versus no stripes. So we're excited. We're gonna run them today. See what they do. I took off. He has canards. I took my canards off. We don't know. We'll make a pass. We'll see what happens. All right, guys. This is the battle of. Oh, I never turned this off. Well, that's gonna be like a 40 minute video.
Oh, you got the max now?
What happened? Yeah, I popped it. I borrowed it from.
Oh, you borrowed? Okay. I thought about getting that because you know what? It does rear and front.
I should have, but I just realized I had the stupid thing on this whole time, so I probably just drained all the memory card. Oops. We're gonna send it, bro.
I'm ready.
All right. Just want to make sure you're comfortable.
Dude, you can fucking send it at 200. I am ready to ride. Where's Dorian? I thought he was coming.
That's what I thought. That means
you know him though. He's always either late or early. He's never like at the times.
I'm still doing a burnout though. I like the tires warm.
Yeah, you want them warm.
I don't.
Because you're also getting, like, you don't got to do a crazy burnout though. Like the first one, well, not even sitting here. I would just heat them up. Just do a normal burnout. Just get them. They're gonna get hot fast. I got the strap in my face and everything. Hold on.
That's good enough. I'm gonna send a little bit harder this time, bro.
Sounds good. Just gonna leave it.
Yeah, leave it running.
So
yep.
Turn it off at all.
We're gonna leave it running.
real good.
How was the race? I couldn't tell. I was just running it.
What's that?
Looks like we got him, I think.
You got him, yeah. I was trying to get it in the rear view because he was like at your freaking blind spot the whole time.
Gotcha.
So it wasn't like, so I'm trying to get the rear view. It would have been nice if he was like right there, but he was at your blind spot. But
gotcha. The thing about the 500 is such a smooth
It is.
160
It's so
miles an hour.
smooth, dude. I'm looking at your speedometer. I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah, it's
climbing.
so
And I feel like
smooth.
we're doing maybe 100.
Yeah.
I mean, you feel yourself suck back, but it's not shaky or nothing.
No, it feels so relaxed. So let's get some post game from him. We'll get some post game from him on the thing, but good job, bro. Well, we did the first run against somebody in Hulk's new setup. I thought it was a good race.
Yeah.
I feel like I felt him leaving, and I wasn't really paying. I don't think we left. I don't know when we left, to be honest. I feel like it was 60 miles an hour.
We left around a little over 60.
All right. Perfect.
I don't know exactly. It was in the 60s though.
All right, perfect. The only thing was interesting, we do have, how much do you weigh, bro?
270.
All right, so we have, he's all muscle, by the way. We have an extra 270 pounds, but I'm telling you right now, this car, very happy with it. Thanks, bro. Let's see what Juan says.
Yeah.
What'd you see, man? How'd your car feel?
Feeling good.
Okay. It was a good race. I thought we were together. I think my advantage is the ice tank because my IATs stay a little cooler.
The boost is
Yeah. I got to 71? Yeah. And what did he leave? Well, we were racing each other, so that was just...
Yeah, no, but you know, like it was... They kind of stayed on top of the same...
Yeah.
Signs we launched, like you went...
Yeah.
In front, so we stayed...
We stayed together. It was good. It was a good race. A lot of data. So, I haven't qualified for anything yet, so I had to make another pass. Hey, man, I appreciate the run. Thank you so much. Appreciate Juan, his beautiful 500. The first time he's seen a stripe versus no stripe. No, two blown up 500s, and then they're rebuilt back together.
So, how does it feel to have driven the car 2+ hours to a race event, going 164 miles an hour, and driving a 2-hour turn?
It feels like CD Autotech is my mechanic.
Feels like #streetcar.
Real streetcar. Real streetcar life. No, dude, I said it before. Thanks to Chuck. Thanks to L&M. Thanks to everybody. Lethal, Kong, JLT, SPE, Sam Lippenscott, like Magnaflow, Signature. List goes on. Thank everybody. Aquila, Incredible Hemi, all my friends. If I forgot you, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I'm just excited. Custom coatings, and best yet to come. Whipple time.